Hey everyone, in this video we are going to build a simple over voltage protection circuit using op-amp as a comparator. Over voltage protection is important for protecting sensitive electronic devices from high voltage spikes which can cause damage. Let's dive into circuit and see how it works. We will start by looking at the main component of the over circuit. The, the core of this circuit is the op-amp which we are using as a comparator. We are also using a voltage divider to set a reference voltage and a MOSFET as a switch. When the input voltage goes above a set threshold, the op-amp will activate the MOSFET, turning on an LED as an indicator of overvoltage. Here's how the circuit is set up. First, let's look at the power supplies. We have two power supplies here. First is B1, which provides 6 volts and is our monitor voltage source. Second is B2, which provides 5 volts and powers the op-amp and other components. Now let's talk about the reference voltage. This is the voltage that the circuit uses to decide when the input voltage is too high. We create this reference voltage using a voltage divider made up of two resistors R3 and another resistor connected to ground. By adjusting the values of this resistor, we can set a threshold voltage at the inverting input of the op-amp. For example, if we want our circuit to detect when the input goes above 6 volts, we set the reference voltage close to that level. Next, we have another voltage divider that's connected to the non-inverting input of the op-amp. This divider scales down the input voltage from source so that it matches the reference voltage range. Let's call this pair of resistors R1 and R2. These resistors help control how much of the input voltage reaches the op-amp, allowing us to adjust the sensitivity of the circuit. Now let's see how the op-amp works as a comparator. In this setup, the op-amp continuously compares the voltage at the non-inverting input with the reference voltage at the inverting input. If the input voltage goes above the reference threshold, the output of the op-amp switches on. When the op-amp output switches on, it activates a MOSFET, specifically a 2N7000 MOSFET. This MOSFET acts as a switch in a circuit. When it's activated, it allows current to flow through an LED, which turns on as an indicator that the voltage is too high. The LED could be replaced with a relay if you wanted to control higher loads like a motor or larger piece of equipment. So where would you use a circuit like this, or voltage protection circuit like this are essential in many applications. For example, in battery power devices, this type of circuit can protect batteries from overcharging. In solar power systems, it can prevent high voltage from damaging the storage batteries or inverters. And in industrial or automotive electronics, it can protect sensitive equipments from voltage spike. Essentially, this circuit monitor the voltage and if it exceeds a safe level, it triggers an alert or cuts off the connection. To sum it up, this over voltage protection circuit is simple but highly effective. We use an op-amp as a comparator, a voltage divider to set a reference voltage, and a MOSFET to switch on an indicator when the voltage goes above the threshold. It's a straightforward yet powerful way to protect your devices from high voltage.
Let's see in action over voltage protection circuit for a circuit when we use op-amp 741 operational amplifier. Here we give the 3 and 2, that is a reference voltage and actual voltage to the op-amp. We have run the simulation. After running the simulation, the LED indicates 0 means no output at the LED. When we increase the voltage above 5 volt, that is above reference volt, that is 8, then it indicates the over voltage and turns on the red LED as an indicator for the circuit. It works as an over voltage indicator in circuits. Thank you.